Assalamualaikum, we are from Group 8 and in this video, we will demonstrate on how to create the GUI using the drag and drop feature which is available in Java NetBeans. First, we will create a new project and name it as Group 8 Lab Test 3. Note that we have to untick the button of the Create Main class, then do the right click on the project file, create a new JFrame form which name it as Fibonacci app and also write on the package with my.fibonacci app UI, hence a blank JFrame form is displayed. After that, we will now use the drag and drop feature, which is we drag the J panel on the swing containers and drop it at the center of the JFrame form. Then we can resize the panel and also we can change the panel's properties such as border. We will click on the title border and write it as Fibonacci app and change the font to bold style and width size of 14. We will do the right click at the JFrame in the JFrame navigator, click on the properties and write CSF12003 as the title. Next, we will drag J label 1 in the swing controls and drop it in the JFrame form. Do the right click to edit the text in the J label 1 and edit it as enter and term. And also do the right click to change the variable name as label and term. Do the same step on the next J label 2, edit it as results and change the variable name as label results. The next step is drag and drop J text field 1 into JFrame form. Do the right click to edit the text and also to change the variable name as TST and term. After that, drag and drop J button 1 to the JFrame form. Do the right click to edit the text as calculate and also to change the variable name as button calculate. J label 3 is drag and drop into the JFrame form and the variable name is changed as label result output and also the text is edited as a blank form. Next, J button 2 is drag and drop into the JFrame form, editing the text as save result and changing the variable name as button save results. Next, for the coding part, first we will double click on the calculate button and the coding for button calculator action perform will be displayed. In the coding, we will write the value of n that we will get from the text field TST and term, calculate the n Fibonacci number and display the result in the label name label result output. The second step is we will write a method that is called f to calculate the n Fibonacci number. The last step is to double click on the save results button and the coding for button save result action perform will be displayed. In the coding, we will create a file named Fibonacci_sequence.txt and the Fibonacci sequence is written to the file which includes the f method. Lastly, we will run the program and the output will be displayed.